Hi, introducing SubMind, an AI-powered agent system that lets you query any database using natural language. Built using Google ADK and Gemini Flash, it works seamlessly across multiple databases like MongoDB, Postgres, Elastic, etc. Let's move on to the problem statement. Every day we face a couple of challenges of data access and then data which hinders timely insights for some users. This is majorly because of data scattered in multiple databases, because in the production level system we have multiple services and then many heterogeneous databases which is connected to those services. Because of this, the user might lack query skills, because user might be proficient in Postgres but he might not be able to run efficient queries on Mongo. So we also might need to combine multiple data sources and then generate aggregation results. So cross database aggregation is also one more thing that we are looking here. Then our goal is to automate and unify the process so that we'll be able to generate data insights using a multi-agent architecture that streamlines all the insights and delivery. So it will delegate requests to respective agents, for example like Mongo agent or Postgres agent, and then it will aggregate and return the responses to the user. So the solution would be an intelligent query system, which is called SubMind DB Orchestrator, which uses natural language to query multiple databases and then aggregate responses. So this can be integrated to any database that is already existing. You don't have to do any changes or like very less changes to integrate this or onboard this agent to your existing data architecture. So for now, I'll be using Mongo and Postgres agent for this demo. Mongo, I have this DB called testing DB query. In this, I have these many collections. We'll have to create a new collection called info collection that will have all the details of the collection info. This is useful for efficient routing of the queries to the respective agents. For example, Postgres agent or Mongo agent. For Postgres, we have a table definition schema using which we can do this. But yeah, for Mongo, we'll have to create this collection. For now, I have these many collections. And then if you go to users, we have user details as well. Then I also have a Postgres DB, which has system logs, campaigns, and then payments information, which is linked to order ID, which is also the order ID in this orders. So I'll be running the agent, orchestrator agent, which is called DB agent on my local using ADK web. So it has started the ADK web. So I have connected to DB agent. So yeah, so now let's start with a simple query. Let's say that, okay, we have users in Mongo. So let's say that we'll say, show me latest to users or something like that. Yeah, show me latest to users. Yeah, it has called the Mongo agent. We can see the call invocation happening. It has called Mongo agent with the question latest to agents. Yep, so we have got the data. It is something like this. Answer, here are the latest two users, agent called. Yeah, so the steps it has taken and steps are taken and also result. So we have one field called data, which includes all the data that we need. For example, we have two users named Alison Johnson and Wobbly. Let's go to the Mongo collection and see if that is right. Yep, we have Wobbly and Alison Johnson. So this is able to query Mongo. Now, so what it does is actually SubMind uses a schema-aware agent to translate the natural language into MongoDB queries using real-time metadata from info collection. Now let's switch to Postgres. So Postgres, let's see what table we have. Let's try something with payments. Let's say that list all payments made via UPI in the last 7 days. Let's see how it behaves. It is calling the Postgres agent with UPI payments made in last 7 days as the question. So it has automatically detected that it has to go to Postgres agent based on the schema metadata. Yep, we can see that it has returned the response answer. Here, the answer is actually a short summary of the query, which is useful for it's a non-technical summary. For example, here are the UPI payments in the last 7 days, payment ID, amount, and then payment date, status, completed. Then we have agents called steps as well. Now we have data also. We have this data. Let's verify the data. Let's go to payments collection and see DB, and then let's do this. Okay, we can see that there is only one entry that has the method UPI. UPI is a payment system that is widely used in India, but yeah, this is the payment system, and we can see that order ID is 502. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, cool. It's the order ID is also 502. Now let's do something interesting, which is cross agent orchestration. So now let's see if the SubMind coordinates across both the databases. For example, like we have this payment table here, and then we have one more collection called okay, let's see, use orders, because in the payments we have orders, right? So we have order ID. Let's see if it is able to like delegate requests and then coordinate and then return me the aggregated response. Let's say like show all UPI payments and related order details. Okay, show all UPI payments and related order details. Yes, seems fine. Let's see what it does. Okay, it has called the Postgres agent for listing all UPI agents, which is correct. Okay, I got the response. Then have call Mongo agent, which is order return for the returned order IDs. It is interacting, then it has made the right question called order details for order ID 0502, which is the right order ID. Yep, so I got the answer. It says that answer here the UPI payments and then associated details. Steps, let's see the data. See, we got the aggregated response from different DB. It has payment ID, payment details, payment date, status, and then it has order details also. This order details is coming from Mongo. You can see here, right? Order details. What is the order ID? Is this one? Yep, we have here 0502, and we have all the other details as well, which can be used for further querying of the details. See, the orchestrator always routes the task to the right agent and then gather results and summarizes them across the different data sources. So this is what it is. Now let's try something else. Like, what if the query is unrelated to whatever data schema that it has, or doesn't match any schema? So I'll ask like, who are the top performing employees? As we know, we don't have employee table. Let's see what it returns. It has called the Mongo agent. Assuming I cannot provide information, so I don't have access to right collection or table containing employee performance data. So yeah, SubMind also handles the unknowns gracefully and asks, and sometimes it asks clarification if it finds something like relevant queries or something like that. Yeah, so that's it. So SubMind is modular, extendable, and then production ready. You can plug it to any existing database with no schema migration or very little migration. And yeah, SubMind speak to your data wherever it lives. Thank you.